Okay, I'm going to show you how to move categories around, move services around, and move which category services in. So I'm going to hit the menu button. We're going to go to settings, services, and then here you'll see reorder categories and reorder services along with new category and new service. So if we wanted to, let's say, reorder the categories, we would click that, we would slide the way we wanted to reorder it, and then save categories order. If we wanted to reorder the services in the category, we'd hit reorder services, we'd slide the order we wanted in and click save services order. If you want to save which category a service is in or change it, you can click on that service and you'll see up here service category. If you click on that, you'll see the different categories you want to put it into. I'm not going to save it this time. And then you would hit save here. And that's everything.